Hello everybody, my name is Jennifer Maker. I am an author, teacher, and your new crafting buddy. I believe that we can create a life that we love by making what we love. I encourage each and every one of you to join me in making something that you love today. Every week, I invite you into my craft room to make a wide variety of popular craft and home projects. I show you how to create beautiful things step by step through easy to understand videos. I cover the materials, tools, assembly, everything you need to know. My videos are for everyone, but I really love to cover all the steps so that those who are new can join in the fun too. This channel is your place for information-packed videos that are not just fun to watch, but also provide really relevant tips that you'd want to share with a friend. I hope that my videos will inspire you to make things and to hit that subscribe button so that we can stay in touch. Have a beautiful day.